Hello everyone, this is Drew from Evangel Industry Limited. Now we are at our factory. Today we are going to see some SHACMAN tractors. Now let's go. SHACMAN tractors has 3 series. It has F series, H series and X series. This one is X series. The engine of SHACMAN tractors are optional. You can choose Weichai engine and Cummins engine. This engine has 371 horsepower. Its powerful engine can ensure the stability of the vehicle during your high-speed driving and handle all the various and complex road conditions. This one is Weichai engine. The emission standard of SHACMAN tractors ranging from Euro 2 to Euro 5. It's got fast gearbox and hand axles, which makes you feel more comfortable while driving. According loading capacity and operating conditions, the SHACMAN tractors can be divided into 3 versions: light versions, enhanced versions, and super versions. SHACMAN tractors can be divided into 3 versions. This one is enhanced versions. It's the 6x4 tractor. These are all the main information about SHACMAN tractors. If you want to know more about our company or our products, you can contact me all the time. I'm at your service. See you next time.